Today we will learn about how can we solve squared brackets. So it's about the introduction of basic algebra. So if we have given squared brackets like 5t plus 3, term is written like that. So 5t plus 3, this is algebraic sentence, and we have square at the top. So we will read it as 5t plus 3 whole square. And how can we solve it? Square means this term is multiplying by itself this whole term 2 times, right? So the meaning of this square is that this whole term 5t plus 3 inside the parenthesis, this is multiplying by itself 2 times, right? Square mean this is multiplied by itself 2 times. So I will write it 5t plus 3 inside the parentheses and then 5t plus 3. So these are multiplying 2 times. This is the algebraic rule that if there is no indices, index or power is written, so we will consider this power as 1, right? When the same terms they are multiplying each other, then we will add their powers. You know about this rule of mathematics that if x is multiplying by x, the base is same, which is x, so we can add their powers, right? So the base is same x, we can easily add their powers and it will become x power 2. So this rule of algebra that will be applied here, and then we can do it simplify. Do you get it? Or if we have x multiplied by x multiplied by x, so you can see x, 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 the base is same, and if there is no power is written, then we will consider it will be automatically 1 power, right? You have to keep it in mind. If there is no power, no index, then the index of power will be 1. So if the bases are same and they are multiplying each other, then their powers or index will be added. So the answer of x multiplied by x multiplied by x will be x power 3. Bases are same, we can add their powers. So same process is here. 5t plus 3 whole square, it means I can write it or split it into like 5t plus 3 whole power 1 multiply by 5t plus 3 whole power 1. How can we simplify it? How can we multiply it? Because we have 1 and 2 terms and 1 and 2 terms. The process of multiplying this is that you will take first term of first, which is 5t here, and we will multiply this by whole of this, right? So I will write 5t plus 3. So first term of this we multiply by all of this, and then in between we have this plus sign, so I will write plus sign here, and the second term is 3. This number 3 will multiply by this again, whole of it, right? So 5t will whole multiply by this, between them we have sign of plus, and the second term is 3, so the second term will multiply all of this. After writing this, what will we do? This 5t will multiply by this, and this 5t will multiply by this. So the term whatever is written outside the parentheses, that will be multiplied by each and every number inside the parentheses, and we will remain the sign as it is. So 5t multiplied by 5, it will give you 25. T multiplied by t, it will give you t square, because t multiplied by t, same procedure we will apply here. T and t bases are equal, we will add their power, so it will become t square here. Then the second step is this 5t will multiply by 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15 and t will be as it is. No, the second, we have two terms here. So in the answer again we will get two terms, right? It will end here. This multiplication, the answer of this multiplication is here. After that this plus sign, and then this 3 will multiply by first term, and then this 3 will multiply by second term. So 3 multiplied by 5, it will give you 15t, and 3 multiplied by 3, it will give you plus 9. Right, so in this way we will do multiplication in case of squared brackets. After that, what we will do, we will arrange them according to their powers or index. Now the next step will become, so t and t bases are equal, so we will add their coefficients. It will become 15 plus 50, 30 and t. So that will be the answer of this 5t plus 3 whole square. It will be 25t square plus 30t plus 9. First of all, you will understand how we will multiply, what is the procedure, what is the method is going on. After doing practice, you can easily get it that 5t plus 3 whole square meaning whole square of this term, which will be 25t square, whole square of this term, which will be 9, right? 3 multiplied by 3, and then 5 multiplied by 3, it will be 15, 15t, and then it will multiply by 2, that will give you 30t. So the formula of, after doing this, you can easily get this formula, and you, when you memorize this formula, you can easily apply it while you are solving the squared brackets. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now how can we get this formula? The same process will apply here. A plus b whole square will equal to a plus b into a plus b. After that, what we will do, this a will multiply by this whole, and then this b will multiply by all this. So a multiplied by a plus b all, between them we have plus sign, I will write here plus sign. Then the second term is b, and this whole b will multiply by a plus b, right? After that, this a will multiply by a, and this a will multiply by b because it is outside the parenthesis. So a square plus ab, this plus sign come here, b will multiply by a, it will give you ba, or you can write it ab, and then this b will multiply by b, it will give you b square. So we will get a square plus ab because ab is equal to ba, they will according to commutative property. With respect to multiplication. You already know about this. If you don't know, in my other video you will search them and you can easily get it. What is this commutative property with respect to multiplication? So a square plus ab, and this ba will be written as ab according to this statement, which is commutative property with respect to multiplication holds. After that, ab plus ab, when there is no coefficient, the coefficient is 1. You will always remember this. So 1ab plus 1ab will give you 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula which you have to memorize, and according to this formula you can easily solve these type of questions. 5t plus 3 whole square, or if you don't know about this formula, you don't know how to apply this formula, so the easy process is, what you will do, 5t plus 3 whole square will be written as 5t plus 3 into 5t plus 3, and then this first term will multiply by all of this, and then the second term will multiply by all of this. After this, You will do the simplification and you will add the similar terms and you will get your answer. So this is the way how can we solve the squared brackets in basic algebra.